Like a little creek. I think this goes of the school over there, Alpine. There's another one to the side. It goes over there. They have a little boat ramp. Here, let's take a walk. Oh, student driver. I see him. That's the old cemetery where, yeah, they moved the graves. Or did it? I don't know. I talked to her. Heidi Baldwin. Or is that communication? Edward Jones. Tire place right there. I like the rainbow. Not the feminine gay kind. Over there, oh, they blocked that. Dominion Energy always hums. Yeah, look, Dominion Energy. People selling us John Bladder. See, I think we're doing pretty good. I don't know why people are causing back. Back there, I can't go back there. I can't go back there. And it goes to school, but then nothing comes out. Nothing. Oh, except those with the vents. They look like swamp coolers. And this is where I came from. I hope those are not the ballots, because those boxes are always open. See, look at it. I don't know, 61 West. Oh, yeah. Who knows? But you just leave them open. And this is a little boat ramp. Like, you have canoes and send out the ballots everywhere. Oh no, we can't get in there. Yeah. I'm seeing new stakes that has F minus. I look that up. But don't ask. And say circles like coils. See them on top of the height or houses. Hey, what's over there? At the school. That's where we voted and we're not supposed to. We are. Wires. There's a commercial truck. Everyone looked freaked out over there. So it's what time is it? It's like 7, 8. Oh, it's out there with a guy. There's a camera. D. Who cares? Because we won. These go up and down, left and right. Yeah. And then the butterfly. Right there. Or no, it's not a butterfly. It's the air exhibit. All these cessus or what? Cessus? Small planes. Round. But yeah, that's what we got going on here in Utah. People leaving their car doors open. Look at that house is empty. I wanted to get one of those. I'm talking to myself. The 5G or whatever. So